This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if one simple check your Audi performs silently every day could be the difference between a normal ownership experience and a sudden $3,000 repair? What if the problem is not something breaking, but something slowly being allowed to degrade because the car assumes everything is fine? And what if by the time a warning light appears, the real damage has already been done? Most Audi owners believe modern cars are excellent at warning drivers early. The reality is very different. Audi vehicles are engineered to protect the driving experience first. Smoothness, refinement, and efficiency are prioritized over early alerts. When something begins to drift out of its ideal operating range, the system doesn't panic. It adapts. That adaptation is the reason so many Audi repairs feel sudden and unfair. Owners follow service intervals, drive responsibly, and yet still face expensive failures that appear out of nowhere. In truth, the failure didn't start suddenly. It started quietly, months or even years earlier, when the car decided to compensate instead of alert. Modern Audi systems monitor thousands of parameters constantly: sensor tolerances, actuator response times, thermal behavior, voltage stability. All of this data is evaluated continuously. When values drift but remain within acceptable limits, the vehicle doesn't warn the driver. It learns. It adjusts behavior to maintain smooth operation. And that learning process is exactly where long-term costs are born. The problem is not neglect. The problem is invisibility. Drivers assume no warning means no risk. Audi systems assume the driver prefers comfort over interruption. That agreement works perfectly until it doesn't. Before we continue, this is the moment most viewers skip and the moment that makes the difference long-term. If you own an Audi and want to understand how these systems actually behave, not how dealerships explain them, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. This series is designed to help owners avoid expensive surprises before warning lights ever appear. Now here's the key idea we'll explore in this episode. There is a simple, low-cost diagnostic check, often under $20, that can reveal whether your Audi has been silently compensating for developing issues long before any dashboard alert. This check doesn't fix anything by itself. What it does is expose early adaptation patterns that indicate future risk. In the next part, we'll break down why waiting for warning lights is one of the most expensive habits Audi owners develop, and how silent adaptation quietly turns small inefficiencies into major repair bills.
One of the biggest misconceptions Audi owners have is believing that warning lights are early warnings. In reality, warning lights are usually late confirmations. By the time an alert appears, the vehicle has already exhausted its ability to compensate quietly. Audi control modules are designed to operate within wide safety margins. When a sensor begins to read inconsistently or an actuator responds slightly slower than expected, the system doesn't immediately classify this as a fault. Instead, it adjusts parameters to maintain drivability. Throttle response is smoothed, gear changes are softened, load limits are recalculated, the driver feels nothing unusual. This is where the danger begins. Because nothing feels wrong, the driver continues driving normally. The system continues compensating. Over time, compensations stack. What started as a minor deviation becomes a permanent operating condition. For example, when airflow readings begin to drift, the engine control unit may adjust fueling strategies to maintain efficiency. That adjustment increases stress elsewhere. When thermal behavior changes slightly, cooling strategies adapt. Fans cycle more often. Components age faster together. None of this triggers a warning yet. The reason this matters financially is simple. Parts don't fail in isolation. Audi systems are interconnected. When one component compensates, another works harder. Over months or years, multiple systems age simultaneously When failure finally occurs, it appears catastrophic, but it's actually the result of long-term silent cooperation between stressed components. This is why owners are shocked by repair estimates. The dealership isn't fixing one failure, they're addressing the end result of extended adaptation. A basic diagnostic scan that reads stored adaptation data can reveal this hidden story early. It shows how far systems have drifted from baseline values even if no fault codes are present. This is information most owners never see, yet it's one of the strongest predictors of future repair cost. In the next part, we'll explain exactly why this type of early check is ignored by most owners, how it's misunderstood, and why it's far more valuable before problems feel real.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.